there's anyone out in the crowd there today who was here in that first year, but it must have been a very unique experience coming down Double Days Road to this slightly weird looking track at the end, out in the middle of nowhere in Kaiapoi, and watching cars racing. And 50 years later, Ivan, we've just got a pits full of cars, full fields, and just, you know, races everywhere.
Yeah, correct. I don't know whose stupid idea it was to run every class tonight.
I can name a couple.
Classic stock cars here tonight as well, and look, it's going to be a great night. We know there's other things on this time of the year, but have a look at our life members on the back of these cars. There's classic cars, there's cars that are done up in guys' livery from 50 years ago that were racing up here. Stock cars done up in Wayne Wilding's colours. We've got an Artai car done up as BJ's car. So guys have put a lot of effort into it, and it's great to see.
And there has been a huge variety of cars over the years, and even now I can see Shane Anderton's street stock over there.
Yeah, Shane's a life member, and that's his classic street stock. So these historic stock cars, we've had a heap come from the North Island. You know, so
fantastic.
Yeah, it's great. We've got Dave Evans here. Hopefully we'll try and have a catch up with him. He won the very first super stock title that Woodford Glen had.
Yeah, amazing. And in that car that he's here tonight with, isn't it?
Yeah,
the original car.
I'm pretty sure it is, yeah.
Fantastic. And so we've got a lot of racing on the program tonight, all 9 grades racing tonight, plus the historics.
Yep, all 9 grades, and it's all for a championship. They're beautiful trophies in the club rings. You know, thanks to the guys that put their classic cars on display out at the entrance as well. It's good to see some of that old gear. It's really good stuff, so yeah.
Of course, there'll be a lot of people with a lot of memories from various events around here at Woodford. We've held a lot of championships over the years, an awful lot of racing. I figured out I've watched about 150,000 laps of racing here.
Yeah, it's crazy, eh? It's crazy. So, man, what we'll do is I'll just jump down here. I've got this big birthday cake. I don't know what's going on with that, but while these guys are going around, I'm just going to pass over to my surprise.
Some championships have been contested over 2 races, others have been contested over the 3 feet. And that's some of the Jackies. Leading us round, it was the 86 of Reese Marsden. 24th after Bramhouse, Mark Putman beside him. 41 of Leah Rowlands to the outside side. We get to a bar away to the horse. On a breezy track, the one benefit of all that is actually Marsden. So even with all his drag car fishing from his beard was here, he manages to drag his way through and do that pack. Out front there is his son, to Buckman and Shady to get some go race once again. That'll get the 4 and the 3, Buckman taking on the pole line. So he's actually out of it.
advanced engineering, and it sounds like it, the way that car whistles along the straight. And the Kruger chassis, which is, I don't know how old it is, it's probably...
Kruger number 25,
so it must be, what, 20 years old?
Closer to 35.
Closer to 35. Yeah, I think so. The rest of just loaded cars, eh?
How cool would it be if you're sitting in the dummy bed original Boss Mustang of Wayne Andrews.
Correct.
And it has raced within a reasonable frequency. It was racing at Nelson for a wee while. It's been restored for Wayne and it's on display out there. But we're also one of the original cylinder side. podium for New Zealand titles before anywhere, and you don't lose that skill.
No, you don't. And he's shown all that skill was on display here. And so it was for Malcolm Marte, and so it was for Hayden Mackay as well. The three of them battling it out there.